Hey tech enthusiasts! Today we're diving into a thought-provoking topic, the longevity of Android. No technology is eternal, and Android might not last forever. Here's why. First, rapid technological advancements. Innovation in the tech industry is constant, and new operating systems, devices, and platforms emerge, challenging the existing norms. The dynamic nature of technology could eventually surpass the capabilities of Android, paving the way for the next big thing. Second, changing consumer preferences. Consumer preferences are like shifting sands, and they play a crucial role in shaping the future. As new technologies and trends emerge, consumers may gravitate towards different operating systems that better align with their needs and desires. So, while Android has been a dominant force in the mobile world, it's essential to recognize that no technology is immune to change. Stay tuned as we explore more reasons why Android might not stand the test of time. Exciting times lie ahead in the ever-evolving tech landscape.